Good morning, it's Wednesday the 12th of January and this is your daily outlook. The euro gains as Japan commits to buying EU debt. The dollar was under pressure as the euro found support and oil surged higher on supply fears. Stocks were strong on solid earnings reports and risk was tentatively put back on. In US stocks, the Dow was up 34 points, closing at 11,637. The S&P was up 4 points, closing at 1,275. And the Nasdaq was up 9 points, closing at 2,716. Looking ahead, weekly crude oil inventories are forecast at 0.4 million versus minus 4.2 million previously. The euro was boosted in Asia on news that Japan will be heavily involved in buying European debt to try and instill confidence in the eurozone. Debt yields fell and upcoming debt auctions this week will be closely watched for demand. Euro dollar traded with a low of 129.03 and a high of 129.95 before closing at 129.85. Looking ahead, November industrial production is forecast at 0.5% versus 0.7% previously. The dollar yen found support from moves higher in euro yen, but the market was capped by heavy Aussie yen selling. The major is very range bound with a break of 81 or 85 needed to suggest fresh direction. Overall, the dollar yen traded with a low of 82.70 and a high of 83.51 before closing the day at around 83.25 in the New York session. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and dollar yen. The euro dollar pivot point is at 129.40 with a preference to enter into long positions at 129.50. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 155.85 with a preference to enter into long positions at 155.95. Today's calendar market movers: UK trade balance for November is forecast at minus 8.33 billion. Eurozone industrial production for November is forecast at 0.5% and US crude oil inventories for the week forecast at 0.4 million. Now on to equity markets. US equities closed positive on Tuesday with the SP 500 trading up 0.37% and the Dow was up 0.3%. European bourses were positive with the FTSE up 0.97%, the DAX was up 1.23% and the CAC closed up 1.58%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.02% and the Hang Seng was down 0.92%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.